Hey, this is Jerry here with Renown Cargo Trailers on this beautiful sunny day. Hey, we got here today, we got our rent-to-own special concession trailer. This thing is very special for you guys. On the outside, we got the new water blue Polycore metal with the Blackout package. This trailer also comes with the 5,200 pound axles with the 225 75 R15 tires. We got the 3x5 concession door. We're gonna come around and go on the inside and show you guys what the inside looks like. Okay guys, on the inside of the trailer, we got the finished interior, white metal walls, white metal ceiling, RTP floor. We got a 6-foot hood range with electrical package, AC. Up front, we got the 3 compartment sinks with the hand washing station. Guys, this thing's set up ready to go. As you'll look right here, we got 2 basket electric fryers. These things are really great for cooking your food on. And we also have a 24-inch griddle. This thing is ready to cook in, ready to go. Like I said, this trailer is $19,995. It's a special on RTO. We can get this thing for you. Good credit, no credit check. Call us today. Thanks and have a great day.